If you've not claimed your Toma airdrop and you participated in this very airdrop, today is the last day to claim this very airdrop. After today, you won't be able to claim anymore. And this is very important to all of us that did this airdrop and have not claimed. And there is a lot of concern on the Toma token. Market go upward with a bullish candle, and right now it's coming back all the way to the downside. These have spiked a lot of concern among holders. Is market going to crash all the way to the downside, or we're going to see the market pause around this area and begin to move all the way upward? And if you look at the Blum price right now at pre-market, Blum is already showing that the market will move upward. All of these in this very video, so pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to the Toma announcement page, you discover that this very claim is going to pause today. And if you've not done that, please do it right now. And if you know any person, maybe part of this community or outside this very community that participated in the Toma airdrop, it is not good for them to miss out on this very claim. So the claim is today, and today is the final day to claim your airdrop. Please ensure you claim your airdrop. Reach out to anyone that have not claimed. Let them claim right now before this very claim is going to cease or discontinue. The Toma price, there is a lot of concern about people holding this very token. Market move upward from here and then retracement, or market is in a bearish formation coming down. But I talked to you about this very level of important support right at this very point, which is where the market have entered right now. I am on the 1-day chart Toma USDT, as you can see right at this very point. What I am still looking out for is for market to move upward. Okay, market move upward, come back down. Market should not cross this very level of important support. This support is very necessary for the market to move upward again. Even though the market move downward and go below this level of support, the market still have capacity of moving upward. That is, if market come back down below this level of support and begin to move downward, don't panic. Okay, if you are holding this token, don't panic. Market still have capacity of moving this much all the way to the upside, creating a new close on this very Toma token. And this is very important to all of us that is holding this very token right now. Maybe if you want to also buy the Toma token, I believe right now is the right time to buy for short-term profit. Okay, I am not talking about long-term holding. I'm talking about day in, day out trading, or week in, week out trading. This is the best time to buy right now where it is, so that when that pump comes in, you will be in profit. And this is what you need to do right now. And if you go a little bit down to the 4-hour chart, you discover that the 4-hour chart is already showing consolidation on this very price action. So we have consolidation right here, where market move all the way from here upward, come back down, and right now on this very chart we have consolidation right at this very point, and the market have capability of moving all the way to the upside from what I am seeing on this price chart. I'm expecting that on the 4-hour chart, market move upward and break this level of resistance right at this point. When we see the market move upward, break this level, the market will continue this movement all the way to the upside. So the best time to buy Toma, if you're a day trader or swing trader, is right here where the market is right now, or you wait for the market to break out on this very point of important resistance. Once market move upward and break out on this level of resistance, it means that market have capability of moving all the way to the upside. And that is what you need to focus on right now on this 4-hour chart Toma USDT. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, is already at oversold condition. At oversold condition mean that market have capability of coming out of oversold condition. And when the market comes out of oversold condition, crossing the 20% line right at this point, it means that this very price chart is going to move upward and break this level of resistance as well. That is, if the market come out of oversold condition on the stochastic RSI indicator. And this is one of the things you need to pay attention to as well, which is very important on this price chart. And the next thing that is also very important on this price chart is the MACD indicator. If you look at the MACD indicator, is at the negative side of the MACD, with the MACD line and the signal line have not crossed over each other yet, which means a crossover, which is going to happen very, very soon on the 4-hour chart, mean there will be a formation on this very positive side of the MACD, forming green bars, which will also make this very Toma token from here moving to the upside. And that is why if you are holding this token, you don't need to panic, not at all, because market is still going to move upward. Market do retrace and continuation do happen in the market as well. So pay attention to market breaking out of this and take your trade. If you are a day trader or you're a swing trader, wait for that breakout to happen and market is going to begin to move upward. And most especially, if we see Bitcoin begin to move all the way to the upside, this market as well is going to begin to move all the way to the upside with BTC. Bloom priced here on pre-market, discovered that market has been coming down, but we've seen a little bit of stability for the past 3 days around this very area. And this stability is as a result of the fact that when market drop this much, market have to retrace and then come back down, and then before that movement upward. If you look at this very pre-market price critically, you discover that when markets move upward right here and touch this very moving average, markets come back down and have not created a new low, which is this very low at this very point right here. It means that markets have capability a little bit of moving upward for those of us that trade pre-market, and then from there market will begin to move all the way to the upside. But what you need to pay attention to for a good move all the way to the upside is this very moving average right here, this very one. Once the market move upward and cut across this very moving average with a bullish candle, it means that the market now have enough capability of moving upward, and that is what we must have to focus on right now. For those of us that trade pre-market Bloom, market is still going to move upward, but for us to be very certain that the market is going to definitely move all the way to the upside, then market need to cross this very moving average right at this very point. Once we see that crossover of this moving average with a bullish candle, market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside from that time. And this is what we need to keep our eye on and watch on this very chart right away. And finally, BTC USDT price chart. You discover that the market on Bitcoin have been amazing for the past 2 days. Market have recovered, and this recovery is very important even though you don't trade Bitcoin, because once Bitcoin begin to move, every other crypto will move with it, or 95% of crypto is going to move with it. And this is what we have to look at. Look at the stochastic RSI indicator right here, which is showing that the market have enough capability of moving all the way to the upside. Look at it, market at oversold condition right here is coming out of oversold condition, crossing the 20% line right here. Is a clear indication that the market is going to begin to from here move all the way straight up, and that is what you must have to focus on. Keep your eye on this even though you don't trade Bitcoin and you trade other altcoins, because once you begin to see that aggressive move on the stochastic RSI indicator all the way upward, it means that this very price chart is going to begin to move upward as well. And that is what you must have to watch if you are a trader. And from here, market is going to move upward. And on the price chart from this point, market is going to begin to move upward as well. And that is what you must have to focus on. That is not the only thing we are seeing on this price chart right now. If you look at the MACD indicator, the MACD indicator right here is showing the same thing, okay? Reduce momentum from the bears at this very point right here to the bulls, mean that very soon the market will start formation on the positive side of the MACD with green bars. And also, once that happens, is a clear confirmation that the market is going to begin to move upward on Bitcoin. And once that happens, a lot of crypto, 95% is going to begin to move upward as well. And that is what we need to focus on right now. So looking at only price action, that is only the price chart, you discover that markets have significant bullish candle right here. And yesterday bullish candle was significant. If you look at only price action on BTC USDT, we have a resistance right here, which is very, very important on the chart. And also market drop from this point of resistance downward, retracement from this very resistance, come back down. That means for market to really go up, we should see a breakout. Market should cross this very resistance level. That is a movement upward and cross this resistance, that the market is going to move upward and create a new all-time high. This is what you must have to pay attention to. Keep your eye on this if you are a day trader or swing trader. This is very important on these various charts. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content and join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. If you want to learn about the best narrative to invest in this bull market, check this video right here. And if you want to learn crypto from beginning to advanced, check this video out. It's going to help you. Thanks for supporting this channel.